Hey, bro, where the fuck is we at?
I don't even know. What the fuck?
We fell asleep in the car, blow. I ain't gonna catch to you.
Shit.
Fuck, I lost it. I'm not even looking at him. My screen so fucking cracked, I don't even know.
Be
Even if I
recording.
don't do it, fuck it. I just want to see. Bro said that log right there. I want to see. Cause I don't know if I can do it. But I got a feeling he gonna try, so I'm gonna just go ahead and try.
You know it.
On the first. Ooh, that's the far. Now I'm trusting. Oh, hell no. This will take what is it?
For my niggas, bro. Make sure my guys got pictures on this bitch. Wish I had an iPhone, I'd catch me a cup. But I'm in the jargon family, look crazy out there. With this motherfucker on.
Take your pictures real quick.
Then all three of us gonna get on there. I'm gonna get on the top one.
Oh, hell no.
I'm gonna get up there.
Oh, hell no, bitch.
No, I'm talking about above you.
We out here though, man. That's the furthest he got. Nigga say he ain't even fucking around. Yeah, man. Fuck the city, fuck the hood. Tap in with the nature. I been a wolf, man. This ain't shit. The slippery shit with some shit. I ain't no motherfucking fish, though. This bro fuck. Camera. This Brian Camera. Bro right here chilling. He said he ain't getting shit. I wanna catch that animal coming out. That shit was crazy. That was like a baby sheep. Got me with a hole at type shit.
Where at? Over here?
Now think about it, that's a whole little trench. They probably traveling all through that thing.
Oh yeah, right here.
Watch your feet though, man. I don't know how But they probably just, that's how they travel type shit. Pictures on that bitch real quick. Yeah, I got you. Oh yeah.
Gotta get you a little picture on that bitch. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, he tripping.
On that bitch. Yeah. Man, I ain't fucking with it, dog. Nah. Good. What you doing? Nigga ain't fucking with it, nigga. You better bust my head.
I had a police on They gonna think we trying to kill this nigga.
Nah, nigga. You see that shit, nigga?
Well,
Super cameraman one. Oh no, I ain't just bring my phone either. I could've just did that. Yeah, I could've. Yeah, we is out here.
that shit clear as hell. Ain't no fish.
I seen a little koi, I ain't gonna lie to you. I seen a little small ass fish earlier. This is before we even got on the log. We probably just started now. Probably shaking the water, so I ain't fucking around with it.
Yeah.
Man, oh God. This nigga went all the way down there.
This big ass spider webs down there too.
No, I bet, because nobody else go down there. They unbothered. Why are you grabbing that branch like that's some support, bro?
I'm not. I'm moving it.
Get away from the herd. Come on. I was about to say, shit under your feet was slipping like a motherfucker, boy. That's why I'm like, come on.
So,
We off this
Shit,
bitch?
yeah, come on, we go off this bitch, man.
Come on.
We about done with this shit, man.
another dead fish.
This nigga, where? Oh, damn. This nigga tested the limits.
It's cool.
Oh, no. I don't think about that. I don't know about that.
Oh, God, it ain't.
It is good. What you mean?
Niggas found.
It's good, bro.
I don't want to fuck with nobody be habitat because I know it's animals down here type shit. I mean, you know, harmful animals.
I'll hop your ass down there. Scary motherfucker. I'm
Crazy.
down with him.
Right, nigga.
Scary ass.
No.
You need the dangerous cameraman to take over?
I was talking about your ass. You can just. This nigga don't know how to swim.
It's tripping.
You a brave motherfucker, man. I'm scared of I'm a germaphobe. But I like to bet you at the same time. Ah! Look. Yeah, this beat on the blow for sure. Oh, shit. Oh, it's fucking dead fish in here and shit, man. You tripping. Oh my god, if I fall.
Come on, man.
Ooh, you passed it already. Fucking up.
No, I ain't fucking with out there. This is as far as I'm going.
Hey,
I can't step in that
So
shit.
let me
Man.
come back so you can come out.
is it light up? I mean, is it weak?
No. But this one gets
So let's go. I was gonna say go on the other side so we can get
I got you. These niggas crazy. I'm supposed to be.
Yeah, your legs long.
I had to squat all the way down and reach for that one. You can hop on it. You gonna move forward and not move.
I just need some.
I'm gonna do that? No.
What's up? Come here. Ooh, that was slippery. Say that.
Slippery.
Yeah.
It's slippery as hell.
Grab though.
I just walked up.
Yeah.
Slippery though, that step you about to take.
I did not. This is not the plan today. Look, you got me on a slippery ass wall. This is not the plan today.
Yes, it was.
Look.
You made it to plan when you said you had to get out there.
Oh, yeah, I ain't going. Oh, right here.
So turn around now so you get in the middle of that, the dead part. He's scared though.
I'm tired, I am. I wouldn't lie. Yeah.
Think I'm.
This shit like I. Sunday, I'm being White Star Bar in Hampshire. Yeah, 215. And the troopers. They ain't with me right now because it's. I said this bridge. It's a whole nother part. You feel me? You feel me? Got to. Oh, where you go? The deck over here?
Oh, it's a duck over here? Huh. Oh! Oh! That's the fuck I'm talking about. Yes, the
And you can get over here.
What do we do? You gotta test it out.
Look, this one.
Wait, y'all. Wait.
Decks do this. Decks are supposed to do this.
Look at this nigga.
Decks are supposed to do this. Anything with water is supposed to be flamboyant.
That's the whole fucking family.
what the fuck, nigga? You on some bullshit?
You see how great it is?
See,
Oh, it is
it
gonna
hit
take
the ground. You gotta think about it. The water.
Hey, y'all,
I
man.
forgot this shit shallow as hell.
Swans out here, man. Y'all niggas, man. Y'all still at the crib, bored as fuck. We out here looking at the swans. High as hell. Look at them dancing for us and shit. Stop playing. They hear the Jeezy too. Bitch.
Man.
Come on, man.
What the fuck, man? I just looked at my down on my phone for 2 seconds. I'm trying to clean some storage out. Goddamn.
Hell no.
This nigga is wildin'. I'm about to come. I ain't tripping. I ain't ducking, right? I ain't ducking, right? I don't even know how you got over here. That's a fucked up part. I gotta go hard.
Fuck it. I got one hand though. Fuck it.
Please don't drop that one because once you step up here, Charlo, you can just stay right here. Cause I don't, cause this shit look crazy. I don't even know how he did this shit. Man, where the fuck is you going? Let me see this.
No, I ain't fucking with that nigga, bro.
This nigga is tweaking. He got me fucked up. I might have to do that though. Once you step up here though, just stay right here. Cause it's right here. Up here. I'm taking all this shit. Remember this shit. I'm taking all this shit, man, for my video. Here I come. I ain't that correct. If it's slippery, I'm coming back. I'm telling you that now.
I ain't fucking with you.
If it's slippery, it ain't happening.
Yeah, nigga's crazy.
Niggas got me sitting down. All nature and shit.
I might get down there. I don't know.
If I drop my jig, somebody drowning. And it ain't me. Oh God. Ah! Ah! Oh, it's concrete. We ain't slippery. Nah, it's just about the balance. Man, it's other sticks here. Bro, this is how niggas, man, this is how niggas perish. This is how niggas unalive. I love you. I don't even know who I'm talking to. But I don't know what I'm doing. But I do know Sunday, White Star, Ham Trimmer. Be there. Promo, fuck it. Just in case I go. Just in case I go, I need some promo, bitch. What the fuck are you talking about? Doing this shit.
Yeah, I ain't fucking with that. I see how I look. Hell no. Y'all niggas, I ain't tempting it. Them boys got it. Nature boys. Why the fuck would I do that? I'm finna get out there. This shit light, man. Nature boys, man. Hold up, real POV shit, man. Real POV shit. The niggas think a nigga can't do this shit. It's real POV shit. He got it. No, I wasn't going down there.
They gonna be shaky and shit.
Yeah, I'm a clip certain shit. You feel me? I'm a clip shit and all type of shit. It's like off the, I don't know where I'm at. Type shit. I don't know where I'm at, but I'm a White Star. I mean, fuck. I don't know where I'm at, but I know Sunday I'm gonna be at White Star. Ham Trimmer with the troopers.
This bitch right now.
Christian Rock. I thought all this in the blood. This gonna be crazy as hell, but I'm clipping all type shit. Still though. Christian Rock, you feel me? Go out. You feel me? That bitch out now. Go get my shit. 205B Christian Rock and Weird Science. You finna go get that. It's out on all digital platforms. Go get that shit right now. Go get it. I don't know where I'm at, but I know that shit out right now. I know that shit bang. I ain't even supposed to be out here. It's illegal as fuck. Fuck it though. Look at that shit. Booty up. Hey. Booty up. Real quick, take it up. Now, right hit shit right here.
Yeah, you right. You're
That shit get just block in these areas type shit. You got the money for it. Other than that, yeah, this shit lit. This shit hard. This right here, I thought the other one was the spot. This is the spot because this got the little bench right there. Like I said, you go pop. Have a little bench right
here. Spider web.
Shit, a bitch can down there stand up and just get you right together while you sitting down. Well, no what? Nobody know shit. Nobody know shit. I'm gonna just look away because I think the couple on the random ass island.
Oh, they got like clothes and bags.
So this is gotta be a restaurant. No, I see it from here. It's a rooftop at the small tech.
That's where we gonna be at. You know what I'm saying? Oh, B. Get so big, you do a. Hey, B, get so big, you do a show at the rooftop. Got the bitch slap me.
Yeah, everybody gonna be here. Everybody gonna know where this bitch at. It's gonna be hard to get here.
They don't know where it's at. Y'all boys don't know where it's at. Got big shit sitting outside.
That's what I said. I know they sell shit. Let's not forget we, you know.
This shit is crazy. That bitch really got a rooftop,
Get the
dog.
right pad. Get the right pad. I don't know what they're saying. That's something good.
Alright, y'all. Look at that deck right
They do
there.
it. Look, you see,
It is right
interested
there.
interested in experiencing the area with the paddle.
Oh, they already got their little dam.
That's the little canoe for that shit. Yep, that's how we gotta do it right there.
That's how we gotta do it.
This is the composite. I'm taking
You see
pictures.
the bridge?
Remember I said the rocks?
Yeah, the bridge right here. Okay, it's right here. I mean,
Yeah, right here.
And we can make a bridge.
But they got that
That's
Still.
what I'm
shit.
saying.
Yeah.
It was a party store. Look. Hell no.
We don't want to do too much, though. We ain't gonna find somebody shit. They fucking call the police. 3 black people.
Trying to get us. He ain't came out here and said shit to us yet, so we gonna get the fuck on. You know, usually somebody come out here and say something to us. Yeah, then somebody would've came out here and talked to us, but you know how that's gonna go. So we about to get up out of here.
This shit probably so new. You probably get that shit so much.
Yeah.
I'm about to show you the other part.
Family, this shit was beautiful. It was a good experience. It was nice. Guess what? Sunday, White Star. We gonna be at that bitch tripping. I ain't got the dress no more, but I still got my motherfucking energy. I still got my hype. So you bitches better be there. Goddamn it, be there. Goddamn it, White Star Sunday.
Yes,
Goddamn
sir.
it, let's get it.